Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things fitness and nutrition. If you're looking to build muscle, chances are you've heard about creatine. But with so many types of creatine supplements out there, it can be hard to know which one is the best for muscle gain. In this video, I'll be breaking down the different types of creatine and discussing which one is the best based on research. What is creatine? Before we dive into the different types of creatine, let's first talk about what creatine is and how it works. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in our muscles that helps produce energy during high-intensity exercise. When we take a creatine supplement, it increases the amount of creatine stored in our muscles, which can lead to increased muscle growth and performance. Different types of creatine. There are several different types of creatine supplements on the market, but the most popular ones are creatine monohydrate, creatine ethyl ester, and creatine hydrochloride. Creatine monohydrate is the most researched form of creatine and has been shown to be the most effective for increasing muscle strength and size. Benefits of creatine monohydrate. Creatine monohydrate has been extensively studied and has consistently shown to be the most effective form of creatine for muscle gain. It's affordable, readily available, and has been shown to increase muscle mass, strength, and power. Additionally, creatine monohydrate has been found to have neuroprotective and cognitive enhancing properties. Recommended dosage and timing. To get the most out of your creatine supplement, it's important to take the correct dosage and timing. The recommended daily dosage of creatine monohydrate is 3 to 5 grams, taken either pre or post-workout. It's also important to note that creatine works best when taken consistently over time. One important aspect to consider is the potential side effects of creatine supplementation. While creatine is generally considered safe, some people may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, cramping, or dehydration. It's important to drink plenty of water when taking creatine and to start with a lower dosage to see how your body responds. In conclusion, creatine monohydrate is the best type of creatine for muscle gain based on research. It's affordable, effective, and has been extensively studied. If you're looking to build muscle, consider adding creatine monohydrate to your supplement regimen. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness and nutrition content.